Yes guys, as you can see in my kitchen, you can see what is this. But onion is, the price has been hiked by I think 140 rupees a kilogram. I have onion in my house, so what else I can ask for? So anyway, I love those TikTok videos which is on onions and onion prices. I am going to show you a simple trick and techniques where you will get more realism, but obviously with less brush strokes, less layers guys. So it will save a lot of time. If you have a flat old brush which is kind of a broken brush, you are not using anymore, if you have that brush, you are gonna achieve it very easily. I have especially organized, well planned, well made painting video for the kids. So those who really wants to join my YouTube channel, he can get a lot of knowledge out of it. And this is a end-to-end solution, from the pencil holding towards a great painting. Everything I have explained, and what I do in my academy, I'm doing it here in YouTube for free guys, for free. You don't have to pay anything. And guys, don't forget, I have this onion, so before you mess with me, sorry guys, let's focus on the painting guys. I'm really distracted because I'm so happy that onion is there, but at the same time I am so disappointed that our system actually made the onion price hiked. So it was actually a calculated game, but guys, as a commoner, we can only wish that price will go down, and we can only wish that next election comes, we will take a revenge on that particular party who's responsible for this. But guys, let me know in the comment section what is your price in your city of onion, because it's a realistic painting, close to realism, but with a lot of less brush strokes. Thank you for your love and support, and you guys are awesome. Thank you, and thank you from heart. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So let's watch the video.